This is the new Insta360 Go Ultra. It's a successor to the Insta360 Go 3S that was announced last year. Many were expecting the Insta360 Go 4 or 4S, but instead the company is going with the Ultra moniker. When compared to the Go 3S, it has a slightly different design, but it has the same functionality. You can pop the camera out and attach it to a shirt, bag, or something else. It's a pretty small 4K camera that can get wet as well. The actual camera is squarish versus the rectangular used this time. What you can see in the Insta360 Go 3S. It should make it easier to handle. This camera is capable of shooting 4K at 60 frames per second. This is the upgrade over the Insta Go 3S that could only shoot a max at 4K at 30 frames per second. That is why Insta360 went with a different and larger shape this year for the camera. Insta360 is also keeping the flip-up screen on the Go Ultra, which makes it great for vlogging. While it's pretty small camera, it provides some incredible footages. It can record lights on both the cameras and screen. So if you remove the camera and have it on your shirt or while you riding, others can see that it is recording. It's available in both black and white colors, and you can expect it to be announced very soon. With IFA right around the corner in September, it won't be surprising that it will be announced in end of August or early September.